Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Next.js project, and I'm just going to create a brand new project on my desktop. So always make sure you save your projects on your desktop. It'll just be easier to navigate to that folder. And all we have to do is type in the command npx create next app, and we can call it anything we would like. I'll just call it test, and it'll just take a few seconds for everything to set up. So if you get this pop-up, would you like TypeScript? I'm going to say no. Would you like ESLint? I'm going to say no. And now that we have our folder on our desktop, we just drag and drop it into Visual Studio. And now that we have this set up here, let's just run it to see what it looks like. I'm going to open a new terminal. And all I have to do is type the command npm run dev. So make sure this is directly inside of the root of the project, which is the test folder I created, and then I just run npm run dev. And right here in the terminal, you should see something like ready start server on, and it gives you a URL. So this URL is something that you will just copy this URL or type it in yourself in the browser. So I'm going to open up Chrome here. So I would recommend using Chrome. It is easier. And once I type in the URL at the top, localhost 3000, we can see here that now we have the Next.js 13 project set up and ready to go. Hi everyone, so we're going to look at how we can host this Next.js 13 application. So I got this default template right here, and I got the code set up on my desktop. Everything's ready to go. So what I need to do in order to get this on Vercel is first I need to actually go to my GitHub account. So I just need to go to my GitHub account here, and all I have to do is click on the plus sign, new repository, and then in the repository name, I can call it anything I would like, and I'll just say test Next.js app, something like this. You can call it anything you'd like. I'm going to make it public, and that's all. So I will create the repository. And now that I have this, I'm going to copy this link right here. And I'm going to stop the server, Control C, and then yes. And what I want to do here is I'm going to go cd ... and so what I want to do now here that I'm in my project right here and I stop the server. So I'm just going to use the command lines here. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to say git clone and then paste that URL I just copied, and should be cloning on my desktop. And you can see here I got it on my desktop. I'm going to do a file new window. Now what I want to do here is just drag and drop this folder into this new window, and I'm just going to close the old window because what I want to do is it should be empty at the moment, the cloned folder, but what we want to do is actually open up both of these folders, and I'm just going to copy and paste it into the empty folder. So this folder that contains all the stuff, I'm just going to copy it and then paste it in that new folder that we cloned on our desktop. So now what I want to do is, now that's copied over, I could just close them down, and right here I should see the test-next.js.app should have some sort of content. And what I want to do here is, now that I have all the content, is I want to do the git add. First off, make sure that you are signed into the right account. So I could go to File. Actually, I'll just go here, mSooch Education. So make sure you only have one of them, just so it doesn't get confused. I'm just going to sign out of the other ones. And now that I have the one I want, I'm going to do the git add dot git commit -m new files and folders, and then git push and now this should be on our GitHub repository. Okay, so I did the git add, git commit, and then git push, and now I want to go back to my GitHub, and this is the repository I created. If I refresh, it should have all the contents. And there we go. We could see we have all the files and folders ready for us to go. And next thing we want to do here is we want to go to Vercel. So I already have Vercel right here. So it's just vercel.com, and you have to sign up for an account. And now we're going to add new and then project. And I will just select the project that I just created, test-next.js-app, import it. And you can see here everything is good. It's Next.js, root directory, everything's in the root directory. We don't have anything else we have to change, so we'll deploy it. And then I'll just say continue to dashboard. And right here, we should see that everything has been deployed. It's ready for us to go. So all I have to do is click on visit. And if I click on visit here, you should see the Next.js 13 application now all set up. So this is how you go about uploading your content to GitHub and then hosting it on Vercel.